Hi, I'm Tony over at Q's. I wanted to go through this truck behind me real quick. This is a Versalift VST 47. Q's is a Versalift dealer as well as a service center. And to tell you a little bit about the truck, this is a 2023 Chevy 5500 Silverado HD. And it's four-wheel drive. It has a Versalift boom on it. It's the VST 47. It has a 1,000-pound material handler on it. It has a steel B&G body on it. The boom is also insulated on this truck. The capacity on the bucket is 400 pounds. So let's check this truck out. So right under here, there's a plug-in for your block heater. Here is the service body. Open the doors. There's some shelving. There's some shelving in it. This is driver's side. Here's the middle pack. Just walking around the back, there is the jib right there. Has a fiberglass bucket on it. It's a 400-pound bucket. Has a hitch on the back, a couple D-rings, plug-in for your trailer. Controls are in the back for the outriggers. Curb side. Here's the rear compartment. Some hooks in there. This is the middle. The triangle kit. Fire extinguisher harness. Spot for your wheel chocks. Front compartment. So let's check out the controls. Everybody likes to see the controls. Here are the controls, the lower controls. And let's go take a walk over to the bucket. So here are the controls at the bucket. Here's what you can expect if you purchase a Versalift VST 47. Walk around the passenger side. There's your DEF diesel exhaust Phillip right there. This truck has a 6.6 Duramax in it. Allison transmission. Inside the cab. Inside the cab, you have power windows, power locks, cruise control, AC, great looking seats, fit 3 people in the front. And this button right here is how you engage the PTO. Almost looks like a 4-wheel drive button, but it's PTO. If you would like a quote on this truck, give me a call in the office. My number is 800-258-1010. My extension is 250. Just ask for Tony. I'm the only Tony in the building. I'd be more than glad to talk to you over the phone or send you a quote.